Alright, I'm going to show you how to set up a course report for a new company. So starting from the dashboard, we're going to go to the admin area, go to reports and click on reports. You'll see that there's some previously created reports. You can take a peek at them just to see sort of what they look like and how they're set up. But we're going to go ahead and create a new one for Triangle Steel here. So this is going to be Triangle Steel. It's going to be the user course report. Okay, and then for select the category, select data aggregated on users and courses. This will give us a user by course view. We're going to click next, and we want to aggregate on users. We could do it by groups, but we can set that up as a separate report. Go ahead and submit that. And I'm just going to do it for the entire organization chart for Triangle Steel. So I'm going to go over to Triangle Steel, expand this. If I specifically wanted a node or a sub node from Triangle Steel, I could go over and click yes for that node. But because I'm doing this for the whole of Triangle Steel, I'm going to click Descendants. So that will select all of the nodes underneath Triangle Steel. We can also do this by company roles or selecting the individual user. Either one will work. But we're going to do it from the organizational chart because I find that's easiest. So now save that data, and we want to make sure the related users to courses is selected, and click submit. And now this is where we choose which courses specifically we want this report to report on. Because we don't want it on all courses, we're going to click the courses manual selection. Click on category to bring up the categories. Go to Triangle Steel. And now we will select all of the courses for Triangle Steel. You can select which type of data you want, or for the status of the user. These will each be shown in its own column under each course. The percentage is the percentage of the course completed so far, so I've unselected that one because we already know if they're subscribed, they haven't started the course. Obviously, if they have started it but have not completed it, it'll be in progress or completed. So if we just want one of these specifics, we can select one. I'm going to select all three for this one though. And then I'm going to go save and show. And this is what our report looks like. So users, full names, and then for each course it tells you whether they're subscribed, in progress, or completed. So we can see that nobody's completed any of these courses. This is just the general view. So now we're going to go back to the report list to set up our scheduling. Now we're going to make sure that this one is public by clicking the little green check mark, and then go over to the little watch icon and click schedule. Now we need to add a schedule. I'm going to do this every month on the 28th at noon. So we get a report every month on the 28th at noon. We can set this to be every day, every week, so on and so forth. This description is going to be monthly user course report, and then click next. And then from this screen we need to select who is going to receive that report. So because this is Triangle Steel, I'm going to select John, myself, and Bill Martin. So these are the three people who will receive this report every month. And then we're going to save those changes. We're going to go back in and edit this so I can show you another way to set up the recipients. So edit, next. We could do this by company roles as well. So if we want to do Triangle Steel administrators, we could check this box as well. And then click Save Changes. So now we know that we have 4 recipients here. And if we go back, we can see that it was created. We can preview this. We can export it as a CSV, export as an XLS, or set up a schedule. Schedule is already set up, and that's everything you need to know for setting up a new report.